Hey YouTube, today we have this problem, length of last word. We basically have a given a string of consisting of words and spaces. Return the length of the last word in the string. A word is maximized, maximal substring consists of non-space character only. So basically, if we have hello world, we want to return the length of word. Basically, if we have this string, this big string, we wanna return the length of moon. If we have this one, we wanna return the length of joy boy. So basically, let's just go to the sketch and see how we can do this one. So basically, let's say that we have a string. It will be string will be string. It will be hello and space and word, and let's just add another space, and we want to basically get the length of this word basically. No, hello world, not word. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. However, let's just okay, let's just keep it like that. It's not big deal. So basically, if you want to get the length of this one, how we can do that? There is multiple ways. Basically, we want to make sure that we have this is the last string, and there is one of the way that we can just loop and keep track that when we got a space, we ask if we got this space, we ask okay, take the strings before this space, and also ask another question: do we have any string that doesn't include space? So we will have this word, and we will do okay. So it will be the new string that we will search for. It will be word, and we will ask, do we have any other string after word? It's not okay. Let's give the length of word. This is quite could work basically, but I guess the solution will be very hard to do actually, because there is a lot of tracking. What I guess that we could do, because we only care about the last one, we could only just get the last word directly. So basically, we create a function that basically starts looping from the end and just to start to find any word and before it's space. So basically, any word, basically we have this space. So basically we don't care. So we find one word and we find one space after it. So basically we take this word directly. And I guess the solution, it is super simple. So let's just try to do with this solution. So basically it will be something like that. First I will say let p equals s dot length, I guess. Of course -1, because we will loop with it, -1. And one other thing that I want to get to know where the last word is basically. So what we can do, that we create a while loop, and I will say while p is bigger than or equal 0 and s dot chart at p doesn't equal 0. No, doesn't equals space. I will say that p minus, but by this way that we will get the where is the index actually of the last word basically. So I will say that let length equals 0, and actually this is the length of the last word that we will return, and we return length. And I will make another while loop. It will be while p it's bigger than or equal 0 and s dot char at p doesn't equal I will say that b minus minus length plus plus, and basically that's it. It is that simple. Ah, is sorry. Sorry, because there's something wrong I have done here. Is dot length minus 1. Oh, what's the wrong thing that I've done here? Let b equals is dot length minus 1, while b bigger than or equals 0 is dot chart, I guess chart at or chart at. No, it's a chart at actually. Yeah, is dot chart at doesn't equal. Oh, it's all the time wrong. Why? B is dot length. What is wrong? I have did something wrong, I guess. Let's just look at this. What we have done wrong basically, because we have length equals 0. It's an integer, and we have b minus minus is the chart of b doesn't equal. What is wrong here? Okay, give me a minute, YouTube. Give me a minute. I guess this one should work. Return length, and the length is 0. Oh, this is not working right basically, and on a CIP run. Let's see how much b is. B is minus 1. Whoa, why b is minus 1? B is minus 1 still. Did I do something wrong here? What's going on? Okay, is the length equals 11 minus 1. So basically let's just what did I do wrong here? Oh, sorry. It's a good practice actually to see me when I just screw everything up and try to solve it. Okay, I guess here everything works fine. Return. This one works fine, and we have, I'm saying if b is bigger than or equals 0, while b bigger than or equals 0, and is the char at b doesn't equals, let's just return b here. Return b. I want to see what is b. Okay, b is 4. B is 4 here, and y, while I'm saying here, while b is bigger than 0 and equals, of course, what I was thinking actually. It's just still wrong. It's b bigger than 0 and is the char8 doesn't equal yes, of course, of course. Okay, that's a lot of wrong answers. Okay, so let's just discuss, I guess, what I have done that. First, why we should do that, we want to make a while loop. We said that while p is bigger than 0 and s dot chart at p it's equals to space. So basically, let's just go to the description here. So basically, we want to get the last space. Basically, we want to get this one. So basically, I guess the output of the p, it will be I guess 6 or something like that. So what I have done wrong is just I make it doesn't equals, and just that doesn't, this doesn't make sense. So I will say that and another thing that we have here is that while b bigger than 0 and is dot char it doesn't equals to space. So basically, we are getting this the length with the last word, okay, and after space with it. So to make sure that do we have a space or not. Basically, that's it. Basically, and yeah, that's it for today's problem. And sorry for just taking too long with it, but it's, I guess it was also a good practice, so you can see how I would try to approach things when things doesn't work well. So basically, when the things doesn't work well, what I have done, I just cleared everything up. I just tried to console log everything by its own and try to test everything by its own. And after like in 5 minutes or 3 minutes, I found I found that the actual where is the problem in my code actually lying on. And yeah, I guess one of the things that we should all learn, that to keep more focused and just teach each line, test each line of code that we have done. And that's it for today's video, and see you in future problems.